Hi, and welcome to the Novex Delivery app. Today, I'm going to walk you through the guest user experience. Now, if you're interested in opening up an account to access all of our features within the app, simply click the Sign Up button to get started. Now, to log in as a guest, all we require is your full name, your phone number, and your email. So we have that in here, and we're going to hit Continue. Now this takes us to the home screen. As a guest user, you have access to place an order and obtain a quick estimate. So we're interested in placing an order, but we want to see roughly how much this will cost. So we're going to hit Quick Estimate. Now with the NHL season around the corner, we want to send something to Rogers Arena to support the Vancouver Canucks. So we're going to pick up from our address in Richmond, so we'll put that postal code in, and we will send that to Rogers Arena. So let's enter their postal code. Okay, once we have that, we're going to click Quick Estimate. And up pops this screen. So this screen shows our various service levels with their estimated delivery by date and time, as well as the approximate cost of each of these services. Now, these costs are approximate, and they do not include various surcharges such as weight, as well as tax. So we look at this, and we're interested in the Econo service. So that's our next day delivery. So we could either place an order through this screen or back on the home page where the place an order icon is located. But since we're already here, let's go ahead and place an order. Okay, so now that we're on this screen, we can determine if our pickup is ready now or at a later date. So if we wanted now, we could click that button, but our delivery is not going to be ready till 3 o'clock. So we'll go ahead and we will put in 3 p.m. today and click Continue. So now we're going to enter our pickup details. So we'll put in Novex, enter the street address, the city. The province is already defaulted to BC, so we will leave that there. Postal code and contact name, phone number, and instructions are all optional, but we'll go ahead and put that in so that we have as much information as possible. Okay, and instructions will say pick up at reception. Okay, and we'll click Continue. Now for the delivery details, we're sending this to Rogers Arena. And the city. Again, province is defaulted to BC. And we'll put that in there. We'll put our contact. We'll send that to the mascot, Finn. And we'll just say deliver to Finn. Okay, perfect. And hit Continue. So now that'll take us to the package details screen. So the first thing you do is you click Add New Package. So where it says Select Package, if you click that option there, you'll see a drop-down menu with the various different package types. So we're still going to send an envelope. That'll be £1, and we'll send one of those. We also want to add another package. So we'll go to the drop-down. We'll click Box. We'll say that that's 12 by 12 by 12. And we'll say that that is £5. And quantity, we have 2 of those, let's say, at those dimensions and weights. So we'll go 2 at that, and we'll add one more package. We have another box that's slightly larger. So we'll add that in there. It's £15, and we have one of those. And we're happy with those 3, so we'll select Done. If you want to go back and confirm with those, you can check those out. But everything looks good, so we'll press Continue, and it takes us to the vehicle types. So in here, the first option here is it says that a car is recommended, so we're going to continue with that. But if there is an instance where you require a larger vehicle, you can select minivan, for example. But car is recommended, so we'll stick with that. It also says that bike is not available, so that can't be selected as that is a delivery within the downtown core for smaller items. But that's not what we have for this one, so we will continue with the car. So service types. We have our various service types here, but we're interested in the next day Econo service, so we'll go ahead and click that and press Continue. Okay, so now we're at the order summary screen. So it shows our ready date and time, so that's 3 p.m. today. There's our pickup and delivery details. All of our package details are in there. We've chosen the car. We have estimated delivery by tomorrow at 3 p.m. and there's our total amount. So we can also check the breakdown. Everything looks good. So we're now going to continue and ship now. So we'll click ship now, and that brings up our payment details. So from here, you'll enter your payment details, confirm everything, it's safe and secure. You'll submit that and you'll get your order confirmation and your receipt, and you will be on your way to place your delivery with Novex.